So in this video, you'll learn how to change the font size on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you find that the text on your phone is too small or too big and you want to change it to your preferred size, this is what you need to do. Start by navigating to Settings, and then in Settings, you want to scroll and select Display. Under Display, look for Font Size and Style and tap on it. Then from here, you should see a slider underneath labeled Font Size. So use the slider to increase or decrease the size of the text on your phone. So you can slide it to the right to increase the size and slide it to the left to decrease. You'll notice as you move through the different size options, the preview changing to suit the size that you've chosen. And if you're happy, you can just let go of the slider like that. Wait a few seconds and the changes will be applied onto your phone. And so that's how you can change the font size on your Samsung Galaxy A36. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.